What are we exploring today?
Today we are exploring how to generate audio from a numpy array.
Solution 1.
You can use the write function from scipio.wav file to create a WAV file which you can then play however you wish. Note that the array must be integers, so if you have floats, you might want to scale them appropriately. Here is the example code.
Solution 2.
A simple way to perform what you want is this.
Solution 3.
Here is another solution.
Solution 4.
Another modern and convenient solution is to use PySoundFile, which can read and write a wide range of audio file formats.
Solution 4.
In Jupyter, the best option is You may also use Pygame, which has the module pygame.syntarray that can play numpy data as audio. Lastly, MPG321 is a great command line audio player that you can use.
Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.